Hi guys, my name is Salman. I come from Poso and now I'm studying in the city of Palu. Palu is the capital city of Central Sulawesi, which is in Indonesia. Palu has many shops, supermarket, 3 is one mall, 3 many police station in beach area, playground and support center for the community. I am edition as the capital of Central Sulawesi. Palu has many educational faculty running from primary, secondary, upper and higher education. For those of you who want to go one vacation Palu, I recommended coming to Tanjung Karang Beach in Donggala. You can close to stay at Mani Hotel in Hammer or Inns. Palu has many transportation faculties such as Mutiara Sis Al Jufri Airport, which is located at Abdurrahman Saleh Street. Bus and online taxis that can be accessed and at any time. In Palu, I studied as a geological engineering student at Tadulako University, which is located Soekarno-Hatta Street. The location is close to the boarding house where I live. That's more or less my story about Hammer. Thank you for listening, guys.